Hi, Dr. Q and Joey Lynn here from Star Nursery. Today we are going to talk about organic fertilizers and how they are different from chemical fertilizers.
Chemical fertilizers basically try to duplicate natural elements and apply them directly to plants for fast results. Organic fertilizers contain 100% natural ingredients that work to activate soil organisms to produce more natural nutrients.
Basically, chemical fertilizers treat the plant for a shorter period of time, while organic fertilizers treat the soil for more long-term results. All of our Dr. Q line of fertilizers are organic-based with 70 to 80% organic. They are formulated to efficiently transfer nutrients into plants with a minimum of loss into the groundwater.
As unique as our fertilizers are, we know that some of you are organic gardeners and only want to use 100% organic products. That is why we recently added 4 new fertilizers that are OMRI listed and certified 100% organic. 3 of these are made specifically for edible crops but can be used on any plant. They are our organic fruit and nut tree food, our organic citrus food, and our organic tomato, vegetable, and herb food.
The newest addition to our organic line is our Stardust Organic Starter Fertilizer that can be used for any new plantings. The nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium ingredients in these products are derived from 100% organic sources. You will notice that the percentages of these ingredients are much lower than those of chemical fertilizers. This is because the organic ingredients are water insoluble, so they don't get leached out of the soil as quickly as chemical fertilizers do.
Most water-soluble fertilizers dissolve quickly, but don't last as long in the soil. By using organics, you're actually building better soil for the long-term health of your plants. For more information on this topic, get a free copy of our Star Note number 600 at starnursery.com. While you are there, check out our weekly ad for our seasonal specials.
And don't forget, we make house calls. Stop by your local Star Nursery location to purchase your house call.
Star Nursery, your garden's partner for every bloomin' thing. I'm Joey Lynn.
And I'm Dr. Q, and we'll see you again next week.